So I just picked this up today at the store. This is just a before and after video. So this is what comes inside the box. You have the coating and you have the cleaning. And they give you 2 of these scrubbing little pads. But you need to go buy your 3M painter's tape and some newspaper, wherever you can get it at, microfiber cloth. So you can zoom in here. Not sure if you can see it very good. There's a lot of melted plastic from the headlights. Yellowish spots some places. There you go, now you can see it. It's all around here. So that's how it looked. And when I used the solution, it came out looking like this. More clarity. I just sprayed this right now, a couple of minutes ago, so it's still drying. It says give it like at least 10 minutes to dry. Fully recover in 24 hours. Don't let no water hit it. Just try to be real careful with it. They have more options over here in the back too. Very simple to do. 1 out of 10. I'll probably give it a 8 for now, depending how it looks later on. But very simple project. Those who wants to get their headlights more cleaner, more visible at night with your lights, and the appearance too, to make it look more decent. That's before. This is after. Alright, thanks for watching.